Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshwas, and in today's video, we are going to tell you about Vacation Responder in your Gmail account. Now, let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, I am going to tell you what is Vacation Responder. After that, we will move on to the second point, that is how does you activate the vacation responder, and third and in the end of the video I will tell you how can you create automatic response for your absence. So now let's answer the first question in here only. So what is vacation responder? So vacation responder is a feature that is available in a Gmail when, for example, you are on vacation and you will receive a multiple mails from your clients or certainly from other persons, and you want them that certain response will go from your side, but you are on vacation. How can you do that? For that, vacation responder feature is available in your Gmail. As soon as you put it on, the vacation responder will respond from your side, and which will be an automatic response. So it will send the mail to the person who mailed you that the person whom you are mailing is on vacation. So this is vacation responder. So I hope you have understood what is vacation responder. So with this point we will move on to our Gmail account and see how does we can activate the vacation responder. Now we are in our Gmail account. So the first question arises, where can we activate or how does we activate our vacation responder? So that is quite easy, my friends. So we have to go into the gear option. In gear, which is the setting option in our Gmail. So when we click on it, you will see quick settings. In a quick settings, there is an option see all settings. When you click on it, it will take you into the settings. So in settings there is general options. In general option only, when you scroll down you have to go to the lower and to the lowest point, and there you will see a vacation responder. So the vacation responder sends an automated reply to incoming messages. If a contact sends you several messages, this automatic reply will send at most once every 4 days. So the vacation responder is off. Now you have to put it on. So what's the first day of vacation? The first day would be today. And if you want to change the date or if you want to make it for the future also, you can do that. Just you have to put in the date. For example, I want to take a vacation in January from 1 to 10. I can easily put it in my Gmail account and it will remember as soon as the one of the January of 2021 will hit, it will respond from itself. And the last day you can also click. If it is not available, you can just click on it. When you click on it, the last date will be available for you and you can decide the last date of the vacation as well. After that, the subject is very important. So the subject is I am on vacation. So whenever you write, the mail will be sent to the person that the person is on vacation, or you can write I am busy. As soon as I will reach home, I will send the message to you or see your mail. So you can write that also. After that, this is the message. So this is the rich formatting, and if you want some plain text, you can do that. After that, if you want to change, so this is the rich formatting. Sorry, earlier was a plain text. Now if you want to make changes in the font, you can do that. You can take a wide, you can make it bold, you can make it underline, as much as changes you want. And if there is a spelling mistake, you can make it right by just right clicking on the button and you will see it's a possible. So there is one S missing and you can make changes in it. So after that we have two other options that is important. Only send a response to people in my contacts, only send a response to people in Foetron. So this is an official account, that why this option is available. If you are using for your general account, you won't be able to see this option, but you will see this option, only send a response to people in my contacts. So in earlier videos, I have told you how can you make changes in your contacts and how can you add contacts you can go in that video and see for particularly that contact only the message will be sent. Otherwise the message won't be able to send if the some unknown person just sent a mail to you. So this is how you will create a vacation responder on. Now let me click in and just get it on vacation. So when I click on it, you will see as soon as I click on it, there is a line that just above my Gmail account. That is I am on vacation. So this line will always be there as much as are you on vacation. That means when you are on vacation, this line will appear doesn't matter where you are. If you put your Gmail account on, you will see you are on vacation. So if you want to change in the vacation settings, you can change it from here only. When you click it will take you into the settings and you have to just scroll down and make changes in it. After that, if you don't want to, just cancel it. And if you want to end the vacation, so you can click on end now. As soon as you will click on end now, the vacation settings will go off. So this is how you make a vacation responder. And if you want to click on the end, just click on end now, and you will see again go into the see all settings, and in the general scroll down and you will see the vacation responder is off. And this is how you do it. And if there are any more changes you want to do, like add the photo or add the link and attachment, you can do a lot of things from here only. So I hope you have understood what vacation responder is and how it will help you a lot in many ways possible, as you can take benefit out of it. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will clearly get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.